Good morning, YouTube. This is Olivier from Kigali giving you this beautiful tutorial about text reviewing in After Effects. Today, we are going to be looking about a good project basing on the shape on an image we did previously in Photoshop. And I remember I gave you a good tutorial about working on Photoshop and working with the Photoshop CC 2017. Then you are welcome. Just to stick with me, I'm going to give you an interesting stuff. And click on composition, new composition, and click OK. And as I told you, this tutorial is based on the previous tutorial where we were designing a certain text and the image within Photoshop. Then it is the very image we are going to be importing in this After Effects so that we can implement our text review. Then go ahead and click File, Import, File. Immediately get there down, hit OP or hit any image of yours where you saved it, whatever. You know where you saved it, but me, I saved it on the desktop and its name is OP. Then hit on import, then immediately it will be appearing in a preview. Then drag it down to the new comp. It is going to shape a composition preview screen as you can see now. And then immediately what I'm going to proceed with is creating a new shape layer so that I can review my text. Shape layer. You just right click here and then you see all this new composition setting, review composition in a project, preview, switch 3D view, and the open in essential graphics, composition, flowchart, composition mini flowchart. Then all of that you can go through them and you see what is there. Okay, dear followers, let me go ahead and draw my mask so that this is a mask that is going to be revealing the text, and as you know, it creates a certain big illusion that maybe it is this bar that is revealing the text, but not at all. You guys, I have come with this idea because I've seen someone with my eyes really paying for this small graphic $100. I wanted this simple thing. How come? And I decided to come up with a tutorial idea. It is just pretty simple and very quick. This tutorial, as you can see, I'm proceeding. Then now I can work on that bar. That is a bar. It is still 2D. Then I'm going to give it a certain kind of ornament, and I just type bevel alpha. Let me give it a bevel alpha. Oh, sorry, bevel alpha. Then target it immediately, and then go ahead there in thickness, increase the thickness, and come here down. Maybe change the color, maybe. Okay, and then go ahead, increase the intensity, and then go ahead, do some cool stuff like this. But now let me go on to have black. Maybe that's what will look like. Pretty cool stuff. Then edge thickness, light angle. You can do that kind of work, or immediately you can delete it and then reapply a bevel so that you can have a certain originality, like this one. increase maybe this one. You see, this is an original that came with. Then what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to animate this one. I'm going to delete one and then remain with another one. Then I'm going to hit P, position, and then keyframe our stuff by giving it some few frames without moving, without any motion. And then because we are going to be working on up and down, it means we are going to be working on a y-x axis, y and x axis, but mainly retargeting y because it's up and down. Then we go ahead, we put there, we click on stopwatch so that we can start the process of keyframing, and then begin with this one. You see, yes, this is where we are going to be starting from. But immediately before I start anywhere, it's better I remove so that I can see, you can see now here. You make sure it doesn't touch here up, or maybe you can also make it as your design. This is my idea, but everyone has ideas, innovative skills, but mine is this one. Then let me start revealing the text by giving a keyframe there, and then proceed a little bit around here, and then get down. Get down all the way down up to here, and then proceed a little bit up to here to give it the time when it's just making it having a certain short time to remain there where it is without moving, and then go back there up again. Then they are arriving here at where I'm going to put another keyframe, and then proceed all the way to 8 and take back my bar. As you can see now, here we are. See, make sure it is quite okay and quite cool. And then the second thing you are going to do is just going here down where there is no any there anything, and right click there so that we can create another shape layer. This is the third shape layer we have created in this project, and then we are going to draw it. But before we start that process, it's better we reduce the fiddiness by coming here to 25 so that it can be reduced, and then draw our cool stuff like this all the way around there, and then come to stop around there according to the fiddiness or the width of our composition. And after drawing that one, we are going to parent it to the first shape layer that have the same motion as you have already keyframed, or the motion or the second or the frames are already keyframed. Then we are going to parent it there so that it can follow the movement of the first shape layer as we pick up, and then link it up to the first layer. Then when we start to move these kind of things, we can see that it is hiding the text now. And play, we see, and it is 80. Yes, get back, that worked, or that is a process we are passing through. Then as we are done there, I told you this is quite a simple thing, just to create a certain kind of mind planning, just coloring something there, and you come here down, then you pick Roma mat. The reason why we pick Roma mat is just creating a certain illusion, showing a viewer that What is revealing the text is the bar, but really it is not the bar. The text is already there, but this is what vision graphic is. So if we pray, you can see the bar is revealing already text. You see, and get back with it. You see, then we are there. You guys, you have already eaten your money. You see, we go, we come back, we go, we come back, we go, we come back, and then all we remain with as a big jar is just carrying our things, adding some effects so that everything can look cool, and that is up to you to know what to do. Yes, but let me start with this one. Maybe this one I can give it a certain so let me bring it back to the fitness, and then we see how does it look on our screen, TV screen. Maybe imagine this can be maybe a TV logo being revealed by a certain bar, and then yeah, you see this look professional, very professional and very cool. Then what we can do, we can target it around there and go. Instead of bevel, we type it in effect and presets. What we are going to be typing there immediately, it is what we call red sweep or CC red sweep. It's an effect, cool effect that is quite cool. I like it. Oh my god, I like it. It is called CC light sweep. Then drag it up all the way to your logo. Then you can see now this is right. And then what I want, according to my creativity, I wanted to create this right as if it is a certain reflection from the bird. So no way I can do such kind of stuff other than just picking as the same color that is on the bar. Then how can I do that? I can come here immediately where there is a white color, and then come look for the color of the bar, then hit there. You see, what do you think? Exactly, it's the same. I've done it. Then what I can do is increasing the intensity so that I can burn it up. And then age, you can see age. Yo. Then intensity. Then maybe let me reduce the age. And the thickness. Yes. And then width. Yes. What I'm going to be doing, then I'm going to look for any way I can animate all of this. No any other way other than coming here up and click on the stopwatch over the center, and then look for X and Y as the two axes we have now, and then manage or look around or play around to the X and Y. Then but what I can encourage you is just using X, because we are going to be moving from east to west or from right to left. Just this way I can show you that I'm going to do it. Then let's start by, so long as you click on the stopwatch, it means here that is a keyframe. Then move a little bit all around here maybe, then go back eastward, eastward, and then come back this way. Take it back, and then all the way here I want to unwrite those the head over the text by increasing the or taking it back this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and bring it here, then come back immediately all the way to the east and reveal the screen. Then if we play our thing, it will look like the stuff like this one. Oh god, you see. Then let's stop a little bit and then work on that. Let me work on the intensity, because it's some kind of too much. See, intensity, 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 intensity. Yes, this is quite over. That will look very interesting. Then when we play again, we can see how it goes now. Yes. Now immediately what I'm going to do now, I'm going to work on the bar now. The bar I used CC right best, I think. Yes, on the bar. There we are now. Drop there, set and stuff like this one. You see, and then as you're done there, what you're going to do is just reducing the intensity a little bit, little bit, little bit. Oh, I got it to 0. No, there's good ref. Yes, yes. Let's look around. See now. Let's see. Yes, it is revealed. Our text is revealed, and then it is hidden. However, it is still a certain erroneous thing. You see, as you can see now, this one is not quite correlated with this one. The reason why it can be, the reason behind is this one. Then what you need to do, you can work on it this way by colliding immediately with the revealing stuff. You see, it is the one that push it up. There you go. Yes, yes, we are done. Then before we finish everything now, what we can do is getting the pick all the keyframes we have done, highlight them, and right click on them, keyframe assistants, and the ease. We do this kind of thing so that we can ease in and out. You see, then I think now we can have some cool stuff like this one. Yes, cool. Then before we go on, then so that we can't render something that is not important, we have to come up here with a good idea by reducing all this stuff this way so we'll be able to render what is exactly in our motion animations, and this is the one. But you know the meaning of graphics, everything must come and go. But how does it go and how does it come? Then before we start, we must some kind of putting some obstacles. Maybe we get there down, we come to the opacity, then click there, put a certain keyframe, and turn immediately to 0. Then we will come up to here, and then around there we are going to set another keyframe, and then we are going to set another keyframe there that is immediately 100. But after getting here, I needed to come down, and arriving around it there, I want it to start to disappear. Then sweep it off the screen. I hope you have seen how I did it. Let's pray. See? Yes. Cool. Yeah. Then I think you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Then before I go, I should first render this animation so that we can play to see what we have. But before, let me maybe this, I give it an assistant. Let me assist them coming in by easing everything, and then after easing them, let me finish this one by showing you what you have. Then we go all the way up and then add it to the render key as it is already there. What you need to do, you must specify, is it AVI, is it MP4 or what? Then let's look to that one. It is the OP, and then immediately you hit render. I believe that is going to hurry up to render to finish it up. And you guys, you are most welcome once again. This is Olivier giving you all the tutorials about After Effects, Cinema 4D, Photoshop or Adobe package or Blender, all those graphic designing applications. I'm going to be giving you some knowledge, and if you have knowledge, subscribe and help me out with giving me a certain idea of a tutorial or teaching me. Also, you can send a certain tutorial from you and show me what I am not doing well, so that we can share that knowledge. You know, we are in a community, online wide community, that help each other, educate each other, just giving each other the advices of the way we can improve our knowledge. And that's the world, that is the earth we live now. You guys, thank you once again. And as we are waiting this to finish, I have this occasion to introduce my coming project, because I'm coming with another tutorial of Blender and the text in Blender, text review in Blender. This is a text review in After Effects. I'm coming back with a text review in Blender, then I will be coming back with the text review in Cinema 4D, and then we will come with the Maya. But I hope this have been cool. You see, it's around to finish. Oh my god, it's done, it's done, it's done, it's done. We are heading to the opacity now as it shrink away from our screen, and after rendering that a small effect will be done, and then you are going to do what? You are going to subscribe. After subscribing, of course, you will give me a small comment, a small idea. Yes, this disappeared. Now you have had how it ring, showing and informing us that it is done. Thank you once again. You are most welcome. Once again, the same channel, the same person. Thank you very much. Have a nice moment and have nice MBs giving you quick internet to down the road. Thank you guys. Welcome.